Hey guys, Technomentary with the video for you guys. In today's video, we're going to do a quick size comparison between the regular 15 and the 15 Plus. If you're trying to decide, should you get the smaller one or the big one? Now, here we're going to talk about that and some of the key differences between those or these two models at least. So let's get started. So if you do this comparison, the Pro model, which is the 6.1 inch display, and then the Plus is similar to the Pro Max, which is a 6.7 inch display. So should give you a good idea if you're looking at the Pro model as well in terms of size comparison. So here, we already did a full unboxing for it, but here is the black one. Quick look at it. 6.1 inch display, as I mentioned. That's what you're going to be getting. It does have dynamic island. And then looking at the Max here, which is a 6.1 inch display phone. That aside, here is the blue one. Now these regular 15 and the 15 Plus are just aluminum body. They're not the titanium. The Pro models are the titanium, so that's one big difference between the regular 15 and the 15 Plus versus the Pro lineup. So this is the black and then the blue one. Again, these are color infused back glass is what Apple claimed, which is the new thing for them, but I don't know what that really means. But as I said here, this is 6.1 inch display here versus 6.7 inch display. My hand size are medium size, so for me the Plus just feels a little uncomfortable, but for someone with smaller to medium size hand, the 6.1 inch I think is a better option. Even then, again, depends on how comfortable you feel. The grip is nice. These are pretty lightweight phone, not that heavy. It's, I would say, medium size, not too crazy here. So that's what you're looking at. In terms of price point for them, there's $100 difference. So the regular 15, which starts for 128 gig, you get a $799, but that 128 gig on the Plus is $899, and then so on and so forth. For the 256 gig, you're paying $899 for this one, and then I believe $999 for the Plus, and then for the regular 15 for 512 gig, which is the max you can get it for $1099, and then $1199 on the 15 Plus. So that's going to be the other big difference between them. So here you go, a quick look at it, of the size comparison in terms of the size, and then on the back here as well. And the other thing I mentioned, from the Pro lineup, these still have the silent button. So if you really care about the silent button, they're still available, as you can see here. And then on this side here, that's it for the size comparison between these two models. I hope you guys found this video helpful, and if you guys want to check out the other unboxing video, make sure you check that out. And I want to hear from you guys, what's your thought on the 15 lineup? Which one did you get, or are you going to be getting, and which one's your favorite color? Leave a comment in the comment section. Thanks for watching, guys. See you guys next time.